Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video I'm doing a review of this Icom IC718 HF radio. Now, one thing worth noting, this is exclusively an HF radio. It doesn't cover 8 VHF or UHF bands. It's a very budget radio, but it's a nice one. It's very small and compact. That's the thing to like about it. Some of the features are it has a filter. You can switch between modes like AM, FM, AM, SSB, USB, CW right here. And it also has several other features like a built-in antenna tuner, composition, preamplifier, up and down here, which you can use by pressing these buttons here. I'm not going to go into the full video because, I want to keep this as a quick review. So, yeah. But, you can adjust your AF, your volume here, and your, radio signal strength here. There's also shift and RIT, and you can lock the radio from changing frequency accidentally, but using this button here. For some reason, it has a older, bigger headphone jack, so you'll need one of those adapters. If you want to use your headphones with this radio, well, you'll need one of those adapters that adapts a 6.5 millimeter plug to this 8.5. I think it's 8.5 millimeter one here, and also you can also use this for shortwave listening. The only thing for those who actually care is that this radio does not have FM. So, for those who actually do care about having FM on a shortwave radio, which, why would you? FM is barely, if even ever, used on shortwave anyway. But for those who care about that, that's not here. Also, this radio does not cover 6 megahertz. It covers from 160 to 10 megahertz. It has 110 watts of output power maximum. So, yeah, let's take a quick look at the back. So one thing to note, it has a 4-pin power plug. It has a 4-pin power plug as shown here. And here's the back of the radio. Here's what the antenna connector looks like. So, standard coaxial cable. There's some other slots here. And there's one of these. So let's show you what the radio looks like when doing some shortwave listening. We're just going to pull up WWV real quick. A little weak right now, but I'm doing what I can. It's the middle of the day, so that could be why. There's WWV coming in on 10 megahertz. So, like I said, switch between AM and SSB. For transmit and receive, just use this button here. CW and AM. It'll automatically switch. It's going to USB because I'm on a higher frequency. But it'll go to, as you wish, it'll go to LSB if you're on a lower frequency. So I would say if you are someone who's just looking for a simple, not too expensive shortwave radio, the Icom IC718 is a good buy. It's about $700, including a 3-year warranty. So that's about it for this video. If you leave a like, if you hope you enjoyed it, if you leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is a bit of a quick video review, I know. It comes with a power supply, the instruction manual, and Ham Radio Outlook magazine in the box. So, there you go. I'll put the link in the description so you can fully check out the radio's features. Have a nice day. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. See you next video.